In today's video, I am going to teach you how to fix or set screen resolution Steam. If a game is launching at the wrong size, looks stretched, or you just want to force a specific resolution, we'll walk through exactly how to set that up in Steam and make sure the display mode matches what you need. Start by opening your Steam library so you can work directly with the game you want to adjust. Find the title in your list. Then right-click it and select Properties. This opens a window with several sections for that game. Stay on the General tab and look for the field labeled Launch Options. This is where we can tell the game which resolution to use every time it starts. To set a specific resolution, type -W followed by the width and -H followed by the height. For example, -W 1920, -H 1080 will launch the game at 1920. By 1080, make sure you include a space between each command and value, and use numbers that match your display. If you are not sure, check your monitor's native resolution and enter those values here. These options take effect the next time you start the game, so you don't have to dig through in-game menus first. You can also control the display mode from the same Launch Options box. Add full screen to force the game to take over the entire screen, which is great for the most immersive experience and often the best performance. If you need easier multitasking or you are troubleshooting a black screen, add -windowed to keep the game in a resizable window. You can combine these with your resolution commands. So a complete example might look like -W 1920, -H 1080, -full screen. If you change your mind later, just come back to Properties and edit or remove the entries. If you are still seeing odd scaling or tiny text on a high-resolution monitor, here is one more place to check. Locate Steam on your system, right-click it, and select Properties. Go to the Compatibility tab. Then click Change High DPI Settings. This window controls how Windows scales Steam and anything it launches on high DPI displays. It's useful when the interface looks blurry or too small, and adjusting these settings can improve how games and the Steam client render on modern screens. After reviewing the options, close the windows to save your changes. That's it. Thanks for watching.